I am at Geneva. Today it is very hot here, guys. I am right in front of the United Nations. We're still trying to find the parking where we left the car. It's been like 10 minutes now and we haven't found it yet. So Geneva was completed, but it was still too early to call it a day. So we decided to add in another destination, which was Lausanne. The city of Lausanne was close to where we were staying at Chavonnet, and it was on our way back, so no issues there. We have reached Lausanne. Currently we are in a place where there are camping sites, there are sports facilities and amenities. There is also some sort of boat over here. On my right you've got a shop which specializes in water sports. There is also a ski school, and if we walk further away we will come face to face with this beautiful lake. This is the same lake which stretches all the way from Geneva, so it's quite amazing. It's very huge, this lake. There was I, scratching my head and asking myself, should I go in, because the water was really cold. Alright guys, it is cold, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and see you in the next one.